Hey everybody, today I'm going to be doing a review on the IMAYCC Motorized Bike Kit. It's Amazon's best-selling motorized bike kit. This is the 100cc version. It comes with a YD100 motor, which is important to note. And special features that I've noticed that this kit has that others don't is a larger gas tank. It comes with a chain breaker. It comes with multiple spanner tools. And it even comes with step-by-step color page instructions, full-on pictures that can make it very easy to understand how this kit is installed. Let's go ahead and do a better review and a close-up of the motor. The IMAYCC Motorized Bike Kit. With this, you too can fly your dreams and create unlimited possibilities. So this kit comes with a lot of the same stock things you'll see on a lot of kits, such as the 44-2 sprocket, the standard exhaust. It does come with a bofang carburetor, which a lot of them do, but it comes with the black cover, which I prefer. If you want to know why, you can check out one of my other videos on the red cover. Of course, it comes with your fuel line. It comes with a 4-bolt chain tensioner. Now I've already taken that off and replaced it with a spring tensioner, as that's what I prefer for my riding style. The hardware is came in good shape. This motor comes in silver or black. I went with the black because the red splash is perfect to match my bikes right here. I've already swapped the throttles on mine. Again, you can see that in another video if you're interested in that. This kit, so far I have hit almost 30 miles an hour, and I weigh over 200 pounds, and this thing has no issues pulling me off almost from a dead stop. I can work it with the clutch. I don't do that often because that can be hard on the clutch, but all in all, I've been very happy with these kits. And if you're looking to get into the motorized bike hobby, I recommend starting with this brand, as it comes with all the tools I mentioned earlier that'll really help you get started. Now, if you already have all the tools, perhaps another motor may be a better option for you. But again, for the price and for the quality I've seen off this kit compared to other kits that my friends have bought, I'm pretty happy. The only issue I will say about the YD100 motor is I have heard that they can be known to overheat because they don't have the fins on the top. I personally haven't run into this issue. I live in Florida and I ride in hot weather, but I'm also not using this as a daily commuter. This is just a hobby and something for me to do. So do keep that in mind if you are planning to use this to ride for extended periods of time. But all in all, I've been pretty happy with this kit. I haven't had any issues out of the 3 I put together. Now that I've given you a product review for the IMAYCC Motorized Bike Kit, I want to hear from you what your experience has been with this kit or another kit, which ones y'all prefer, and recommend in the comments below. And if you found this video useful or you like motorized bike stuff and product reviews, go ahead and give me a subscribe. And check out my next videos, which are going to be on this expansion chamber right here, split piece off Amazon, and the service kickstand right here. I look forward to hearing from y'all and seeing y'all in my next videos.